Apple will likely repeat the iPhone X story by unveiling its foldable iPhone at the same time as the iPhone 18 Pro and iPhone 18 Pro Max, but it'll start pre-ordering of the foldable iPhone at a later date. Welcome to GadInsider, your go-to place for the latest tech updates. According to Analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, manufacturing challenges have limited early production of the foldable iPhone, which will reportedly be named iPhone Ultra. As a result, he believes the device may launch at some point after the iPhone 18 Pro models. In 2017, Apple unveiled the iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and iPhone X on September 12. iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus pre-orders began just 3 days later. Meanwhile, those who wanted iPhone X had to wait 6 weeks to pre-order for themselves later on October 27th. Now, by repeating the same pattern, Kuo believes the foldable iPhone may not be available to pre-order until the fourth quarter of 2026. That's not just the only bad news. Kuo estimated that the foldable iPhone could be heavy on the pocket, with a starting price of around $2,299 to $2,499 in the US. But even then, he believes that the device could sell out immediately after pre-orders open, with delivery lead times quickly stretching to 4 to 6 weeks or longer. Apple suppliers will ship roughly 7 to 8 million foldable iPhones in 2026, compared to 20 to 22 million for the iPhone 18 Pro models combined. If this information is accurate, you can expect the foldable iPhone to be unveiled in September, but you may not be able to order it until at least October. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.